In this video, I will show you how you can remove virus ads on any Samsung tablet. Now, you might have started seeing ads like these even on the home screen of your Samsung tablet. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just tap on the X icon and remove these ads from the home screen. After you do that, now for the next step, just open the Google Play Store on your tablet. Now, if you're unable to open an app on your tablet, for an example, if you're trying to open the Google Play Store, but if your tablet starts showing you ads when you try to open an app, then just cut off the internet from your tablet. For that, just open the control center, and from here, just turn off the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. After you do that, you will not be disturbed by the ads. Now, to continue the process, just open the Google Play Store, and from here, just tap on You. On this page, just tap on your profile icon over here, and from this page, just select Settings. Tap on Network Preferences and select Auto Update Apps. Now from here, just select Don't Auto Update Apps. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Google Chrome on your tablet. Then tap on the three dots over here and select History. Tap on Delete Browsing Data. Now just select all these options except Saved Passwords. After you do that, then just select Delete Data and tap on Delete. Now after you delete all the data from your Google Chrome, then finally just open Settings, and from here just scroll down and tap on Display. If your tablet is on light mode, just select dark mode. Now this step is very important and I will explain why later in the video. Now after you enable dark mode on your tablet, then just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this list, just look for any suspicious app which you don't remember installing, and also look for any apps or games which you have installed recently. After you select the app, then just select Uninstall. And after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then from this app list, just look for any app which doesn't have a name and its icon is a white circle. Now these apps are designed for not to be detected and they will show notifications in the notification center, or they will show pop-up ads on the home screen. So just look for any app which does not have a name and its icon is a white circle. And you will only be able to see those apps when your tablet is on dark mode. So this is why just enable dark mode on your tablet so you can spot those apps. Now from this list, just look for any app which does not have a name and its icon is a white circle. And simply just select it and tap on Uninstall. Now after you do that, you will remove the virus ads from your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.